I'd rather be a rider for a minute than a spectator for a lifetime. Motorcycling is an amazing lifestyle that needs to be celebrated. So welcome everyone to SJ Motor Gallery for the exclusive unveiling of the Super Veloce Serie Oro. This is something that I've been waiting for over 2 years. 2 वर्षदेखि मैले यो मोटरसाइकल ल्याउन प्रयासमा थिएँ र बल्ल बल्ल आज यो मोटरसाइकल हामी नेपालमा ल्याउन सफल भए. This is a very special moment for me and I'm very happy to be sharing this special moment with all you special people because you all share the same passion for the love of motorcycles. So without further ado, I present to you the Super Veloce Serie Oro. Every once in a while, you come across some motorcycles that you instantly fall in love with. I mean, just look at this motorcycle, and this is one of them. This is a Neo Retro Racer. If you see the design cues, it takes the design cues from the yesteryears, 1960s ko MotoGP bikes, MV ko MotoGP bikes. So this is that design. And you just instantly fall in love with this bike. And this is a Series Oro. Series Oro means it's the first of the series. So this Series Oro has a global production of 300 units only, out of which one is in Nepal. When you have such a motorcycle, it's not about brands or models. It's just that pure love for motorcycling. And this is like motorcycle art. I know as motorcyclists, we say that, we want to feel the wind in our face, we want to ride. But sometimes with motorcycles like these are motorcycles which look as good just looking at it than riding. You want such motorcycles not in your garage but in your living room. So we term these motorcycles as called lounge material. So this is one such motorcycle. And we're really glad to have this here. We would really want to enjoy this machine. With these love for these machines, we want to showcase what is the technology, how the motorcycle industry is progressing, and also with the culture and heritage. As I said, with the new retro cafe looks, if you have a look at this machine, starting with the headlights, this is an all LED headlight, but it's got aluminum bezels. As you move on, the whole bodywork is carbon fiber. You have a TFT screen. With the TFT screen, you have all the advanced features. You have 8-mode traction control, ABS, you have modes like rain mode, race mode. You can customize your modes according to your riding preference. You have bar end mirrors. If you have a look at the tank has a leather strap running along the tank to give it that retro look. And also it has an ornate filler cap. This is an ornate filler cap. And as we move on, this has got a quick shifter, so you don't need to use the clutch. You can shift up and down through the quick shifters. We have Alcantara seats. That's why I would dread to get this motorcycle wet in the rain if this gets wet. Also, the matching circular rear tail lights, which are matching with the headlights. We have mono swing arm, which showcases the spoke wheels made by Kineo. It's especially made for this motorcycle, so it's actually got spoke wheels. So I think these are all the features that make this special. And also, if you have a look, with the old MotoGP bikes, as I said, of the yesteryears, the MotoGP bikes of MV, it has a titanium Aero exhaust which comes from the factory. It's a factory fitted race kit. It has asymmetrical. It goes 1 into 3 with 1 exhaust on your left and 2 exhausts on your right, which you can have a look at later. You've got a lot of features. I think the technical details are the things you can also look it up online and see the technical features. The dry weight is only around 173 kgs, so it's very light to ride around town. So I'm really happy, and I'd really like to thank all of you all for coming out to share this unveiling. So on behalf of SJ Moto, thank you all for coming. Please come up, have a close-up look at this work of art. Also, as they say, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery. Ride and live today. So thank you all for coming, and do join us for a cup of coffee and Nepalese delicacies at the SJ Moto Cafe. Thank you very much.
Hi Saurav Dai, so good to see you. It's khatra bike lera. How are you roaming around Bhaktapur?
I know, really nice to see you, Actually, के भयो भने तिमीलाई थाहा नै छ नि अस्ति हाम्रो unveiling भएको थियो हैन I was waiting for this
Super
bike.
bike.
Yeah, I was waiting for this bike for 2 years. So it's a super super bike. It's a CD Oro and it's 1 out of 300. So it's for me it's one of the most beautiful bikes.
1 out of 300 in the entire world.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's, CD Oro भने first of the series limited production.
हजुर.
So I had booked it and it just came. हैन?
After 2 years of waiting.
Yeah, 2 years. So it's from Italy. So once that came, and then we had the unveiling.
Right.
And-
अस्ति भर्खर न्यूजमा हजुर मैले देखाएको थिएँ, right?
And when I saw that bike, I said that this is one of the most beautiful bikes. अब नेपालमा आइसकेपछि we have to take this bike to one of the most beautiful cities in the world.
Right.
For me, which is Bhaktapur.
Bhaktapur. Okay.
अब Bhaktapur भने हाम्रो culture, heritage, and that sort of, even that bike is a neo retro bike. It's a old style meets new design language, and here being the most beautiful city for me in the world and being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, I thought I have to do a shoot here with that bike.
Okay.
So bike the best, most beautiful ayo, and I'm lucky I met the most beautiful human being also. So from the human side, you are the representing the best.
Thank you.
And from the machine side, I have my Super Veloce CD Oro,
Thank
and
you so much.
and in the most beautiful city.
Of course, the Bhaktapur आउँदाखेरि त we also have our Jujudho right in front of us. है Bhaktapur आउने बित्तिकै it's mostly about Newari food, culture, this beautiful design, architecture पनि, and I guess एकदम limited parts of the world मा नै हामी यसरी out in the open surrounded by हुन्छ नि buildings that are hundreds of years old यसरी बस्न पाउँछौँ होला. So it's really nice. तपाईको बाइक पनि यस्तो राम्रो छ. So it's Southeast Asia मा पनि it's I think the only one, right?
I think it should be one of the few. Okay. So basically we wanted to really promote, tie in the culture, showcase our culture along with the bike, you know. So त्यो आइडियाले चाहिँ हामीले आएर चाहिँ we wanted to do the shoot here and we managed to do a lot of shoot. हाम्रो न्याता पोलो छ, सुन ढोका छ, so many nice cultural sites which we can showcase to the world. Unfortunately मलाई कस्तो लाग्छ भने अब यो 17th century मा अलिकति हिस्ट्री हेर्यो भने हाम्रो हिस्ट्री 17th century मा there were 3 great kings. हैन, that was Jitamitra Malla, Bhupatendra Malla and his son Ranjit Malla. Okay. So during the 17th century the pottery, the culture, art, architecture, they built so many of these magnificent structures like the Nyata Polo here, you know, and it became the cultural capital and we know it as Khopa also. You know, it's a Khopa, we say in Newari, you know, Khopa Avenue bhanera. So what really today something that struck me and really saddens me is that 17th century ma bhayo, 18th century ma pani Sundhoka sabai banyo, हैन, त्यत्रो architectural marvels, palaces. After that what happened in our century? We've built nothing. I mean, we were the best that we could showcase such culture, architecture globally, and this whole century, at least I don't recall any architectural marvel that reflects our culture and heritage, you know. So I'm a little saddened, what is our generation doing, you know. One, we're not able to preserve also. Correct. And secondly, we haven't built anything in the century, which our forefathers did build such magnificent structures, you know. So that does sadden me. तर त्यो भन्दै पनि I think today we were shooting, we had a great time with the team. We had जुजु दाउ, बारा, momos.
Yummy. I think so. मलाई पनि यस्तो सोच्दाखेरि when it comes to food चाहिँ I feel like कति धेरै young chefsहरूले पनि fusion dishes बनाएर taking the Nepali, Newari food हुन्छ नि to the outside world गरिराख्नु भएको छ. But like rightly mentioned, I think कल्चरली चाहिँ हामीले त्यस्तो धेरै गर्न सकेका छैनौँ अनि अहिले पनि कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ यस्तो कुरा ठुलो कुराहरूको सिग्निफिकेन्स पनि धेरै यङ्स्टर्सहरूलाई थाहा छैन जस्तो लाग्छ. लाइक हाउ यु राइटली मेन्सन्ड अल दिस ग्रेट मल्ल किङ्सले के गर्नुभएको थियो एन्ड हरेक कुराको कति सिग्निफिकेन्स पनि छ कि है.
And even the old art is dying out, you know. Thangka painting. I saw a Thangka painting school on the way. Okay. It was very interesting, but it was closed. But the art and our culture has to be that's very skilled and very specific, and that has a market even in a business. So that I think should be passed down from generations to generation.
I also think you kurama चाहिँ sort of that it's also how willing the young generation is भनेर पनि कि I feel like us we should take pride. जस्तो आज मैले यो नेवारी लुगा लगाउँदाखेरि and when I was walking around in Bhaktapur also, so many older ladies हरूलाई हेर्दाखेरि पनि they had similar dresses, they were wearing it, carrying it more beautifully than I ever could, हैन. यस्तो they are probably 80s 90s हुनुहुन्थ्यो तर पनि यस्तो लुगा लगाएर full ornament jewelry लगाएर it feels so good कि कहिलेकाहीँ आफ्नो कल्चरसँग यसरी कनेक्ट हुन पाउँदाखेरि. एन्ड अहिले पनि आई थिङ्क यो भक्तपुरमा पनि कति धेरै लेडिजहरू अब जस्तो चोकमा बसिराख्नु भएछ, कुराकानी गरिराख्नु भएछ, यु नो नेवारीमा कुराकानी गरिराख्नु भएछ. सो आई थिङ्क ल्याङ्ग्वेज, फुड, अल दिस वी शुड प्रिजर्भ.
Exactly, and that is something unique where we don't have any competition. True. Which we can showcase to the world. Even for the younger generations, I think I always say that, you know, as you correctly said, the older generations, I mean, so many older ladies and baje, and I spoke to them also. They're very cordial, they're very friendly, and they're all in Daura Surwal. I'm wearing it for the shoot, Taka Topi, and even the old ladies. But our generations is in jeans, you know, wearing foreign products, you know, t-shirts. Nothing wrong with that. But generally you don't see it.
यस्तोको पनि माया मार्नु चाहिँ भएन. हो, ट्रु, आई एग्री. अनि बाजेबोजूले के भन्नुभयो त तपाईँको बाइक देखेर?
I think they were a little confused.
यो के हो यत्रो ठुलो आवाज बनाउँछ फेरि यो गाडी हो कि बाइक हो भनेर सोध्नु भएन?
Yeah, they were interested in that, but I was more interested. We went to the Pottery Street. Pottery Street मा त्यत्रो पटरीहरू राम्रो बनिरहेको थियो हैन. अनि त्यसपछि आएर त्यहाँ कोडा खेलिरहेको ठाउँमा गयौँ हामी हैन. So it was interesting. So we went to all the old locations, met a few young kids. The kids were they didn't know my name, but I know, oh, this guy collects bikes.
Oh, त्यसरी.
So it was interesting.
गर्दा पनि चिन्नु राम्रै कुरा हो.
Nyawa khalaso.
Khalafu.
Chen khalana.
Mam baba न्याब्ले खलाना अथे जे जिन
Bangla ke khalaso.
80%, 70-80% बालाको खलास छ, नेवारी फुक्क ठु.
So that's another thing. I meet so many people, generations down, not just Newari, after
Only
culture.
language.
They don't know Newari. And that's going to die out. Yeah? That's something sad. So I think we should preserve that culture and pass that culture down to our generations.
Definitely.
I speak Newari, my kids know Newari. It's good.
हो आई फिल लाइक जति हामी प्राइड लिन्छौँ नि आजकल त बच्चाहरूलाई धेरै यो स्पेनिस फ्रेन्च अल दिज डिफ्रेन्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज चाइनिज म्यान्डरिन भनौँ न सिकाउन पठाउँछ विच इज अल गुड इट्स अलवेज गुड टु नो अ न्यू ल्याङ्ग्वेज तर नेपालभित्रको पनि कति ल्याङ्ग्वेजहरू छ जुन आई थिङ्क हामीले सिक्यौँ भने चाहिँ आफ्नो लागि पनि राम्रो हो अनि सर्वदा आई अल्सो वान्टेड टु आस्क सो SJ Moto brings in these amazing super bikes हैन नेपालमा कस्तो छ मार्केट आइ एम श्योर इन्थुजियास्ट सुपर बाइक इन्थुजियास्ट त धेरैजना हुनुहुन्छ सो इज देयर अल्सो अ पोसिबिलिटी अफ मेबी सेल अफ सुपर बाइक्स इन द फ्युचर
सो अनि एसजे मोटोको उद्देश्य चाहिँ अलिकता सुपर बाइक्स बेच्ने पनि हो तर त्यो सँगसँगै एउटा एस्पिरेसन र इन्सपिरेसनल भ्याल्यु पनि दिने हो फर पिपल द्याट एनी वान क्यान अचिभ देयर ड्रिम्स एन्ड इट्स अ ह्याप्पी प्लेस द्याट ब्रिङ्स अ स्माइल फर मोटरसाइकल इन्थुजियास्ट सो वी विल बी सेलिङ सुपर बाइक्स फर थ्रु एसजे मोटो त्यसको चाहिँ नयाँ र रिफर्बिस्ड बाइक्सको बिक्री वितरण चाहिँ गर्छौँ तर त्यो भन्दै पनि इट्स अ 360 डिग्री क्याम्पेन द मोटरसाइकल सोरुम इज देयर द history museum is there. Along with that, we have the cafe which serves traditional Nepalese cuisine.
Oh, right. Last time I visited, I saw lakhmari, khaja, all these snacks.
So we have pustakari. So we're trying to promote that Nepali cuisine. र त्यो सँगसँगै 360 degree मा now we've started this YouTube channel where we want to showcase Nepal. Once you see this video, it's of course for our audience, Nepalese audience, also to take pride in places like Bhaktapur, our old heritage sites, the natural habitat that we have, the natural beauty, and also to showcase to the world that Nepal is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Come visit us, and for motorcycle riding, it's a haven.
Definitely. I was going to say that SJ Moto ko vlogs are here. Maybe in the future, once this pandemic settles down, once the country opens up, when travel open up, I'm sure धेरै जनाले आफ्नो सुपर बाइकहरू पनि लिएर आएर the same route that sort of I traveled, पनि अरू बाइक्सहरू पनि आउनेछन् होला.
That's one of the objectives, to promote Nepalese tourism, adventure tourism, motorcycling tourism. So I hope we all do our bit in our own way. So let's all do our bit, and I'm sure we'll become prosperous. And what we dream of, a prosperous Nepal, will soon be able to achieve that dream.
Cheers to that.